If you are tired and stressed, let me tell you why this free sample by Beworths is probably what you should be checking out at this moment. So, J&M reviews here, and I want to tell you that I got this two-pack of Beworths Magnesium, and it also has vitamin 6, vitamin 12, vitamin D, and they are gummies. So, let me start by saying the flavor is amazing. It tastes just like raspberry, and these are the size of the gummies. I want What you have to do is take two a day. They're so easy to take. They feel like you're chewing on just like a sweet candy, not too sweet, and they're just full of vitamins. I like it because it promotes relaxation, and it also here it has all the other benefits. I'm not allowed to describe that on camera, but you can read it. And here is the table of contents with all the benefits that it has and on the vitamins. I like it. I got my two pack and I'm so happy with it. If you're looking for a supplement, I believe you can check this out. And thank you for watching my video.